I own and ride a pit bike off-road, then does that mean that I already have my first motorcycle? I'm fine to go for 700, 900cc adventure bikes. Erop whispered, you might have the fundamentals. Just be aware that you're going from a pit bike to a very large adventure bike. So ride within your ability. You're riding within your ability on the pit bike. Now, just understand that this new 700 to 900cc adventure bike has much more power, much more everything. So you have to be very careful with that. So don't just assume I can go from pit bike to adventure bike, boom, everything's good. Realize their throttle response is different. The braking is going to be way different, but you have the fundamental skills of understanding what it is you have to do. So you should be good. You should be good. Just realize, take it easy the first few times. When getting a motorcycle lessons, my instructor noticed a lot of newbies hold on tight to the motorcycle with windy days. He told us to sit like a bag of potatoes to make it easier. What's your opinion? I agree. What he's saying is you're holding on tight with the hands. So if you're holding on tight with the hands, see what I'm doing? It's shaking. What do you think it's doing to the handlebars? Exactly. So if you relax the upper body and you're just gripping the tank with your legs and your upper body from your hips up is loose, but still holding on just a little bit looser, you're going to do a lot better. It's going to remove a lot of the negative inputs into the bike. So think about it as like, riding a bucking bronco or one of those, at a rodeo, those, the bulls and everything. You're keeping your upper body nice and loose and you're gripping with the tank. Another thing you can do is if you have side winds coming, let's say from this side, stick that knee out like it's a wing, and it's going to help you stay. It's going to help you stay up. I have a video on that. It's very hard to show right now while I'm sitting in the office.